Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Ask Teacher series. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin, K-J-I-N. Ask me anything. Today, I chose some questions related to the pronunciation of Korean consonants. Here's the first question. 짜잔. Why does 네 sound like 대? That's a very good question. By the way, do you know what is 네? What does it mean? 네. It means yes in Korean. Yes. 네, 네. Are you K-Jin? 네, 저는 K-Jin이에요. 네. And a lot of people say, the 네. Yes, 네 sounds like 대. Why? It's simple. It's simply because Korean end sound and English end sounds are different. Korean pronunciation and English pronunciation are different. What is the biggest difference? It's the nasal sound. So, for example, when you pronounce the English end sound, such as nurse, nose, afternoon, noon, you need lots of nasal sound. Without the nasal sound, it's hard to pronounce it. Let me show you. Nurse. And noon. Nose. See, you need this nasal sound. But how about the Korean end? Here are some examples that I want to show you. 나 means me. 너 means you. So, 내, 나, 너. Yes, me, you. Just an example. So, 내, 나, 너. See, I don't really need lots of nasal sound. I don't really use it. Without this, I can totally pronounce the Korean end sound. This is why Korean end sound doesn't sound like English end sound. Instead, to you, it sounds like English D because English D doesn't use so much nasal sounds like N. So, well, to you it sounds like D, but to us it's Korean N. So please make sure to practice this Korean N sound. If you want to sound like a native speaker, make sure that you don't use so much nasal sound. Okay, so what is the next question? Next question we have is this. How do you pronounce 기억? By the way, the alphabet, this is 기억 in Korean. How do you pronounce this 기억 sound? Is it G or K? That's a very good question. Officially, the romanization is G. And sometimes it's G, sometimes it's K. So it's hard to say. I would say it's none of them because, again, it's Korean pronunciation. Korean pronunciation is different from the English pronunciation. So it's not exactly the same. But it's sometimes G, sometimes K. But the official romanization for 기억 is G. And if this 기억 sound is used as a 받침, final consonant, the official romanization is K. So it's both of them. But here are some tips. 짜잔, I have some words for you. For example, 가방. It means a bag. And I have this word, 딸기. It means strawberry. And I have this word, 책, means book. While pronouncing this, have you noticed something? If this 기억 sounds comes at the beginning of the syllable, beginning of the word, it sounds more like K. But please note that when you pronounce a K sound, you breathe out a lot of air. K. car, cream, use a lot of air. A lot of air are coming out. But when you pronounce the Korean 기억, we don't use that much air. Use less air with lower pitch. 가방, 가방, 가방. But it sounds closer to K than English G. 딸기, 딸기, 딸기. It means strawberry. And when this 기억 sound is middle of the syllable or not at the beginning of the word, then it sounds more like G. 딸기, 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 strawberry. Now we have 책, 책. It means book. 책, 책, 책. The 기억 comes at the 받침 position. It comes at the end of the syllable and it's here. Final consonant used as a final consonant. It's 책, 책, 책. It's not check, check, check. It's check. So we don't have the k sound. It's just check, check, check. It's like K sound with a k sound at the end. Check, check, check. So please remember these tips. Here's the next question. How do you pronounce 디귿? 디귿. Is it D or T? By the way, the name of this alphabet is 디귿, 디귿. So is it like D or T? Now you probably can guess. It's same as the previous one. Is none of them or all of them? Since Korean language, Korean pronunciation is different from the English pronunciation, it's not exactly same as English D or English T. However, the official romanization is this. D, T. When it's used at the first syllable, it's the first part of the syllable, the official romanization is D. But if it's used as 받침, it's T. I'll show you as an example, so please don't worry. So here are some examples. Then I have this word. 달, 달. It means moon. Please listen carefully to my pronunciation. Next word that I have is this. 배달, 배달. It means delivery. Next we have 숟가락, 숟가락. It means spoon, spoon. Okay, so we have this. So 달, 달, 달. When this 디귿 sound comes at the beginning of the word, it sounds like T. It's similar to T. But again, we don't really use lots of air. We have less air when you pronounce this 달, 달, 달 sound. 달, 달, 달. Moon, by the way. 달, 달, 달. But the lower pitch, we use the lower pitch than English T sound. 달, 달, 달. It's not 달, 달. 달 means different. It's mask. 배달, 배달, 배달. If this 디귿 sounds comes in the middle of the syllable, is middle of the word, it's not at the beginning of the word, then it sounds more like D. It's not exactly same as English D sound, but it's little closer to the English D sound. 배달, 배달, 배달. It's not 배탈, 배탈. It means different. It's like stomachache. 배탈, 배달, 배달. It means delivery, delivery. 배달. Now we have this. 숟가락, 숟가락. It means spoon. 숟가락. 디귿 is used as 받침. 숯, 숯, 숯. The official pronunciation is this. 숯, 숯, 숯. But it's not exactly same as English T. It's not 숯, 숯, 숯. It's 숯, 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 숯. There's no T sound at the end. 숯, 숯. So please remember, when this 디귿 comes at the beginning of the word, it sounds closer to T. Closer to T. But you breathe out less air with lower pitch. 배달, 배달, 배달. It sounds similar, a little bit similar to D, D. And 숟가락, 숟가락. If D sound is used as 받침, it sounds like T without T sound. It's just 숯, 숯, 숯. Okay. Next question we have is also very similar. So, how do you pronounce 비읍? 피읍. Is it B or P? By the way, the name of this alphabet is 피읍, 피읍. And as you can guess, it's none of them or all of them. Why is none of them? It's because English pronunciation is different. Korean pronunciation and English pronunciations are different, but we still need to romanize it. We still need to write it in English alphabet, and in that case, we use both. We use this B alphabet B when it comes at the beginning of the syllable, but when this 피읍 is used as a final consonant, as 받침, is P. Here are some examples for you. So first we have 바람, 바람, 바람. It means wind. Next word that we have is 아버지, 아버지. It means father, father. Next we have 집, 집, 집. It means house or home. 바람, 바람. It means wind. But when this piup sounds comes at the beginning of the syllable, it sounds similar to English P, but please make sure that you breathe out less air. You use less air to pronounce Korean piup sound, 바람, 바람, with lower pitch than English P. Now we have 아버지, 아버지. It means a father, and when this piup sound is used in the middle of the syllable, middle of the word, then it sounds closer to English B sound, but not exactly the same because the pronunciation is, I would say it's closer to P sound with less air. So 아버지, 아버지 is stronger than English B sound. 아버지, it's not 아버지, it's 아버지, 아버지. Next we have 집, 집. Here this piup sound is used as a 받침. Yes, final consonant. So it's 집, 집. It's kind of used as P sound but without the P sound. It's not 집, 집. It's not like that. It's 집, 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 which means a house or home. Okay, the next question is, tararan. Now you can answer this without me, right? How do you pronounce 지읒? 지읒. This one in Korean is 지읒. The name of this alphabet is 지읒. Is it J or CH? Is none of them or all of them? I would say none of them. It's because of this. First, when it's used at the beginning of the word, beginning of the syllable, is J. It's just J. That's it. It's not CH. But if this 지읒 sounds comes at the 받침 position, is used as a final consonant, then it's T sound. What? I know. So I prepared some example for you. The first word that I prepared is this. 지각, 지각. It's a lateness or being late. It's a noun. 지각, 지각, 지각. Next word that I prepared is this. 바지, 바지, 바지. It means pants. It's pants. Next word that I prepared is not, not, not. Is day or daytime. Daytime. 지각, 바지, not. So when you pronounce 지각, when 지 sound comes at the beginning of the word, then it sounds like CH. It sounds closer to CH. 지각, 지각. But it's not 지각. We use less air and we use lower pitch. So it's not 지각. It's not 지각. It's 지각, 지각. Use lower pitch with less air. How about this? 바지, 바지, 바지. It means pants, pants, 바지. So it's not English J. It's not 바지, 바지, 바지. It's not like that. It's 바지, 바지. When you pronounce this G sound here, it's similar to CH with less air, lower pitch. 바지, 바지. Next we have not, not, not. Daytime. And now 지읒 is used as a 받침, right? As a final consonant. Here it sounds like T without T sound. It's not, not. It's not, not, daytime. Okay, please remember this. And 짠! The final question for today is this. Why does 이응 and here sound similar sometimes? So name of this is 이응 and name of this is 히읗. So why are they sound similar? Okay, so let's look at these examples. 짠, 유지 versus 휴지. 휴지. By the way, do you know 유지? 유지, it means maintenance. And 휴지, it means 짠, tissue. It has many meanings. Toilet paper or trash. 휴지. So when this 이응 and 히 sound comes at the beginning of the word, it sounds clearly different. Can you hear the difference between 유지 and 휴지? 유지, 휴지. So we definitely use more air with higher pitch. 휴지, 유지. So maintenance, toilet paper, tissue, 휴지. Yes, when it comes at the beginning of the word, it's different. However, here are another example, like 가운 is a gown. English word, right? 가운. I would say it's a family motto. So a lot of family has this 가운. So our family should keep this. Our family, for example, our family should be very honest all the time. This is our family motto. So some family has family motto is 가운. Can you hear the difference? 가운 is a gown that you wear. If you're a doctor, you wear a white gown, right? 가운. Yes, I pronounce the H sound, but it's weaker than 유지, 휴지. It's very clear. But when it doesn't come at the beginning of the words, and when the H sound is at the beginning, in the middle of the word, it sounds weaker. So 가운. Now I'm trying to pronounce the H sound strongly, but in daily life, in real life, very often we speak very fast and we don't really pronounce every single syllable of the word, every single vowel, every single consonant clearly. So we sometimes pronounce it very quickly, then it sounds very similar. 가운, it sounds similar. So you have to notice you have to understand the meaning by looking at the context. So please remember that Korean H sound is a little bit weak when it's in the middle of the word. Okay, so today I answered lots of questions related to the pronunciation of Korean consonant. I hope these are really useful. And if you have any question, please click the link in the description and ask me. Or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin, K-J-I-N. And I'll check your question and answer you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a like, comment, or subscribe to this channel, koreanclass101.com. Okay, so thank you very much and I'll see you in my next video. 다음 시간에 봐요.